Oh, yeah. No, I didn't understand. Yes. Before we get into the music, I have one more question. What is five? Because I know there's a Tigo 7, and I know that there's a Tigo 8, right? And then I know there's 7 Tigo Pro Max and 8 Pro Max. What inspired you guys to use the 7? Because why wouldn't you use the 8?
We are to launch a Tigo 8 as well, but for now they've launched the Cross and the Zero. So in stages we'll have all the models. So
Even the 4 will go like
I'm sure at some point for those entry level but still want the electric plug-ins,
Okay.
I'm sure something will happen. But if you look at the Tigo Cross, it now has, and the Tigo Cross is between the 4 and the 7.
Oh,
So
okay.
it caters for that price range because the price is amazing.
Love it. No, that's very true, guys. Very, very true. And please don't buy your cherries from anywhere else. Only here at Samson and Thank you.